Alright guys, Paul just here with a quick one. Just felt today like taking the carbon cub out for a little flight, so I've not had it out for a wee while, but what I've done is a bit gammy, but I've got a couple of elastic bands here and my GoPro at the side of the window, so hopefully the weight won't be too bad, but yeah, I'm going to try and get some onboard front footage for you. So let's see if we can get this to take off. Could probably take off on the road and turn, but I've not flew it for a while, so I'm just going to go just straight simple. Everything seems to be okay. There we go. That's us up in the air. That's been a wee while. I can feel that with the camera on, the weight's a bit awkward, but hopefully I'll get some nice flight footage. Because I've only got, oh, there goes the GoPro. I have to land that. I thought that would have stayed on there. Bit of a bummer. Right, what I'll do is I'll come land this plane, hopefully find that GoPro, and we'll see what we do. Right, let's see. Let's land it gentle just now. Right, that's the plane down. I'll have to try and find this camera. I'll just cut the footage off till I find it. Right guys, well that's a bummer. Hopefully I'll find the GoPro and to show you the footage, but it's my old GoPro, it's a bit broke anyway, that's why I kind of put it on the plane. But it's literally pinged off on the flight. I was doing a couple of circles there and it's sort of just fell off. A bit gutted about that, but hopefully I'll find it. Bummer. And anyway, I'll just get back on my flight now, just get this done, and on my way back I'll just double check. I'm sure it's somewhere around this area here. I've walked up and down about 20 times. I think it would stand out quite well in this, but yeah, I'm really annoyed at myself, but what do you do? Back to the plane now, so I'm not worried about that too much. What's going on here? It's like a lost signal. It's done that a couple of times. I've put brand new batteries in, but maybe a GPS issue. There we go, got some control there. But yeah, this is an absolutely fantastic plane. Really got a lot of time for it. Just bring it down a bit lower. That's zero throttle, just glide in. It's just a beautiful thing to watch. Basically flies with no throttle, no problem. I was really hoping I find that GoPro, guys, because I'm really bummed out, but we'll get these batteries. I've got another 2 batteries at the car with me, but so I might come up again, but I'm really more focused on getting that GoPro picked up. Really devastated. Thought I had it on really tight and I don't know how it pinged off. Wasn't the greatest thing with elastic bands, but it did feel solid. Look at that, just so nice. Oh, a rabbit there, or a hare. See that there coming towards me? Whoa! Must have got a fright when it seen the plane. Well, I think either way, finding that camera or not, I'll not be attempting any more onboard footage. That's just just obviously a bad idea. Try and get wee little fly past us now. It's really just, even though I can do stunts and things with this, I just love the low sort of scale flying. It's just got a really nice look about it. Use some rudder, bring it back round. That was cool with that Hare though. Whoa. Should I bring it over us again? I mean, this whole flight I've pretty much just been about a quarter throttle, not pushing too hard, just literally taking my time, just enjoying it. You can probably hear in the car there's a little bit of wind as well coming towards me, so need to watch out for that. Barrel roll, yep. That was pretty cool. I did too many stunts, already probably lost a camera, which I keep going on about. So there we go, a nice wee stops in the grass there. What I'll do, I'm having a look for this camera. If I get it, we'll put more footage up, be flying. But if not, I'll just put this up how it is, a bit bummed out. Oh, oh, yes! What was the chances? Yes! Look at that, guys. Just accidentally stumbled across it. Oh, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling so good now. I was literally kicking myself there. Awesome.